Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Ornate Obsidian deck from House of Playing Cards, and it's also from Midnight Card Company. Shadow Edition, Midnight Card Company, Shadow Edition. And you've got this really cool Ornate logo here, the Ornate Obsidian written there with some really beautiful artwork on the top. And this is actually encasing the tuck, as you can see here, got the logo here, and House of Playing Cards logo in there. This is like a glossy black kind of affair going on there, and then you've got the actual tuck case itself, which is phenomenal. It's like a glossy, a combination of glossy and matte black, and the gold embossing that's sort of metallic and really beautiful. So you've got Ornate Obsidian. You've got the Ace of Spades logo there and Shadow Edition. House of Playing Cards information on the side there. This just wraps around and has that Ornate Obsidian. And this has kind of got the new era sort of logo style there, which I really like. And House of Playing Cards there, as you can see. Inside the tuck, really beautiful gold sort of foiling metallic print, and then proper gold on the inside there. Two ace symbols inside the flaps. I'll take the deck out. Just look at that, proper gold. Jokers. Sort of 3D cartoon Joker, which is really quite cool, and then a black and white version of the same. Then we have a double backer, House of Playing Cards ad, and the deck. So now these were in the pre-owned set that I got, so I have, these aren't in new deck order, but I have not seen them before. They are pretty cool. Now I do have the whole Ornate set, and I'm presuming, excuse me, there's a helicopter above my house. You'll have to excuse the helicopter. But yeah, I do have the whole Ornate set, so I'm presuming this is kind of following along with that theme, and it's going to look... Ooh, this is how the others are going to look. But we've got some different cards here. They've got this sort of 3D effect to the pips there and the indices. And you can see it's got custom face, custom borders, custom font, you know, custom side bit, custom pips, custom colouring. So it's like gold and silver. Here you've got the royalty, which is just really different. Pip arrangement isn't standard, really quite cool. So the silver ones are very silver, and the gold ones are very gold. The only thing that really crosses over is the white and that sort of greyish silver line of the suit going down the middle, but they've got different colours for the centrepiece. The aces are really nice. They're all like this. This is the Ace of Spades, obviously. It's got Ornate Obsidian edition. It's got like a sapphire, and that's like the emerald. So I don't know whether the others are going to follow suit. Oh, these are really nice. They look really good for flourishes, really good for cardistry. Yeah, so that's like the ruby one. I think the other one will be sapphire or whatever it is. Amethyst maybe. Yeah, I really like these. Not too sure about this little semicircular part on the side there. It does look phenomenal. Like this. It looks really cool. I'm going to do a fan, but it's a bit strange. If there's on a singular card, it looks weird. As a collective, it looks beautiful. Looking at the back there, now I think this is much and such like the other Ornate decks, which is really quite cool. But it's black rather than white. It's got that gold, yeah, and blue all the way through. I don't know whether that changed with the suits, which would be a bit disappointing. But yeah, that's really nice. As you can see, it's really nice collectively when they're spread close together, but when they're spread out it just looks a bit strange. Look at that, it's really nice. As for the handling, they feel very slippy and nice. Yeah, really nice. They just look great. It's sort of like a brown rather than a gold, where the sort of darker colours contrasting with the white. Really nice deck. It's a shame I won't use a deck like this. It's too garish and in your face, you know, and the thing is, when you're performing Magic or you're just mucking about, you don't want to ruin a deck like this when you're just playing about with some cards, and you also don't want people to think that you're doing something dodgy with a marked deck using anything other than a standard deck. So I wouldn't really use this for any practical purpose, but it's still very nice, and I can appreciate the work that's gone into it. I look forward to reviewing the other colours and seeing what the white versions look like. This Obsidian version is beautiful. Beautiful tuck as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.